Hi guys, welcome to Susu Podcast. Today's focus is on a common yet complex issue faced by innovators and dreamers alike: procrastination. This tricky phenomenon often hampers our journey towards entrepreneurial success by disrupting the delicate equilibrium between productivity, creativity, and flexibility. Through understanding and managing procrastination, we can surely navigate our entrepreneurial path without setbacks. Let's delve deeper into procrastination. The term is all about the tendency of delaying actions or tasks that demand our attention, often in favor of less pressing or more enjoyable activities. Everyone at some point encounters this tendency, caused by varied factors from lack of motivation to fear of failure and even feeling overwhelmed. And the consequences can be significant, from missing deadlines and disappointing others to an underlying sense that we're not actually reaching our full potential in life. Consider this interesting illustration from the life of former US President Bill Clinton, whose tendency to delay tasks was very well documented. Despite his chronic procrastination and struggles with punctuality, Clinton was a driven president, brimming with energy and a desire to address long-standing issues. His time management challenges highlighted the struggles that many highly creative and curious individuals face when trying to focus on singular tasks. The point here, guys, is that procrastination can afflict anyone, even the most successful amongst us. And mastering the time management and prioritizing can greatly enhance productivity and success. Reflecting on my own experience with procrastination, I recall in my younger days when mathematics turned me into the ultimate procrastinator. I always postponed studying it until the very end, thinking I would gain energy from finishing other subjects first. This strategy backfired, of course, because fatigue completely overwhelmed me, and math studying became an impossible task. This experience taught me a valuable lesson. As an entrepreneur now, I delegate tasks that don't align with my strengths to others who are better equipped to handle them. This approach maximizes my productivity in areas where I excel. I have significantly curbed my procrastination tendencies. Let's dissect the reason why entrepreneurs often fall into procrastination pit. A few key causes include a fear of failure, lack of clarity, perfectionism, and feeling completely overwhelmed. Each cause has its own unique solution. For instance, the fear of failure can be tackled by building resilience, mentoring, and adopting a growth mindset where failure is viewed as an opportunity for learning and growth. When perfectionism rears its ugly head, we can focus on realistic expectations and progress over perfection, and learning to relinquish the need for absolute control over the process. Procrastination is a global entrepreneurial challenge. A study conducted amongst entrepreneurs in Ghana and Nigeria found that over half, 55% of participants, identified procrastination as a major hurdle in their businesses. Another Nigerian study highlighted the negative impact of procrastination on business performance, with higher levels of procrastination correlating to lower profitability and growth. These insights underscore the significance of managing procrastination to achieve business success, particularly in budding economies like Africa. Overcoming procrastination is a journey that requires strategic steps. So here are a few practical ones. Start by breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. This tactic helps to make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Utilize project management tools like Asana or Trello to stay organized and keep track of deadlines. Another powerful strategy is adopting growth mindset, where you view failures and setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth. Bestseller author Mel Robbins offers an interesting perspective, suggesting that procrastination can be a form of stress relief. Her 5-second rule proposes that when you catch yourself delaying, count from 1 to 5 and then take action. This simple trick helps to build momentum and wards off the procrastination impulse. One approach that's gaining popularity is the Pomodoro technique, named after the Italian word for tomato, after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer its creator used. Here's how it works. You set a timer for 25 minutes and focus exclusively on one task. Once the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break, repeat the cycle 4 times, and then take a longer break around 15 to 30 minutes. This technique can help maintain your focus and productivity without feeling burnt out. Another practical tool for entrepreneurs struggling with procrastination is using apps or software that limit distractions. For example, apps like Freedom or Stay Focused can block distracting websites or apps from popping up during periods, helping you to stay on track. Setting realistic and manageable daily goals can help reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed, which often triggers procrastination. Be sure to celebrate your victories, no matter how small they are, guys. Each accomplished task gets you one step closer to your larger goal, and acknowledging your progress in every step can actually provide a significant motivational boost. Procrastination isn't solely about poor time management or lack of discipline. It's deeply rooted in psychology and often connected with our self-esteem and self-image. Many of us fear that by completing a task or project, we are opening ourselves up to criticism or judgment. So we delay or avoid tasks to protect our self-esteem or our self-image. By understanding and addressing these psychological aspects of procrastination, we can develop more effective strategies for overcoming them. Cognitive behavioral techniques can be particularly effective here. This could mean challenging negative thoughts, patterns, or learning to tolerate discomfort and uncertainty, 2 feelings often at the heart of procrastination. In the corporate world, leaders are also grappling with procrastination, not just on a personal level, but also within their teams. In many businesses, busy work is often used as a form of procrastination, where employees focus on low priority tasks to avoid more challenging or high stake projects. Progressive companies are tackling these issues head on. They're offering workshops and training focused on time management and productivity, creating environments that foster focus on efficiency and providing resources like coaches or therapists to help employees navigate personal challenges that may contribute to procrastination. In the end, remember that overcoming procrastination isn't about achieving perfection, it's about progress. It's about understanding that as entrepreneurs, our time is our most valuable resource. Each moment we spend mired in procrastination is a moment that we are not innovating, creating, or driving towards our goals. Let's rise to the challenge. Let's take control of our time, our focus, and our actions. Let's understand that overcoming procrastination to release our full potential and make our entrepreneurial dream a reality. I hope that this episode has empowered you with the knowledge and the tools that you need to conquer this common hurdle. Let's journey together towards creating productivity, success, and fulfillment in our work. Until our next episode, stay motivated and keep pushing forward. And guys, as per usual, don't forget to be extraordinary in the way that only you can be. Take care.